Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. After releasing my video on the Harbor Freight Gordon Multitool, I received a ton of comments. One of my subscribers, Ivan Romero, mentioned something that really caught my attention, a multi-tool called the Ozark Trail Multitool. So I decided to check it out and share my thoughts with you. After a little research, I found out this is a super popular tool. So popular that it's sold out at all the Walmarts near me. Luckily, I managed to snag one online. So here it is. Let's unbox this together and see why so many people are talking about it. So I'm going to open this with my Leatherman Skeletal CX. You remember it from the Gordon video? Oh, I really didn't need the knife to open this. And here she is, you guys. Alright, let's get this package open. Inside we have the Ozark Trail Multitool right out of the box. Let's go ahead and see. I'm gonna cut this little part, get this out. Maybe I can pull it from behind. I don't want to rip this box away. What's the point? I like keeping stuff, I guess, too late. Alright, after the sloppy box opening, here's the tool. And here's a little thing came out of it. I'm going to put this box away. Inside the package, we have the Ozark Trail Multitool, a little head for the bids, a sheath, and a little card. Right out of the box, this feels very solid and well made. Let's take a closer look at it. What makes this tool so popular? Now, Ivan mentioned in his comments that he's been using this multi-tool every day for his IT work. He even compared it to his friend's Leatherman Multiforce, and he said the scissors on the Ozark Trail are way better. That's a bold claim. Here's something interesting. Discovering during my research, Leatherman, the company, basically invented the modern multi-tool, had their original patents expire in the late 1990s and early 2000s. That opened the door for other companies to create similar tools like this one from Ozark Trail. While the Ozark Trail Multitool shares a lot of design features with the Leatherman, it's definitely more budget friendly. But as you expect, there are some trade-offs. Leatherman tools are known for their premium materials and durability, while Ozark Trail tools are made for more affordable and better suited for casual use. I'm very impressed with this tool. For the price, this is a very well designed tool. It feels a bit heavier than Harbor Freight's Gordon, and obviously the warranty on this tool is way better than Gordon's warranty. If you remember, Harbor Freight's Gordon had only 90 days warranty. This one at least a year warranty. So it's not Leatherman's 25 years warranty, but hey, I can live with the 1 year warranty. Let's go ahead and go over this a little bit. Here comes a little bit extender. Here's the knife. Very cool. I like what I'm seeing here. Here's a little filing tool. Again, locks it just like the knife. And let's go ahead and go inside. It doesn't have any spring mechanism or anything, but it's very well made, you guys. I mean, I can feel it in my hand. It's amazing. And I like the material they use on this too. Comparing to Gordon, this is a lot better material, a lot closer to Leatherman's material. And I like the branding. Ozark Trail and Multiforce name sounds fairly adequate for this type of tool. All right, let's go ahead and open this little bit part. Oh wow, this feels really good in hand. Here it is, and obviously we can put something like this in, and or maybe not for this. That's interesting. Thought this will fit. All right, maybe we can put something like this. Oh yeah, I had to push it in. It's a brand new tool, so here it is, you guys. Unbelievable. Very nice Very, very nice. I like it. All right, let's go ahead and check other things. All right, on the other side, oh wow. Let's start with this. I want to start with the scissors since I've been talking about them so highly. Here it is. No, is this the scissors? Oh yeah, these are the scissors. Oh yeah, these scissors feels a lot better. I mean, miles ahead of Gordon in my opinion. Fairly close to Leatherman. Actually feels really good. It's better than Gordon, but I can tell this has some force to it, some heft to it. I like the scissors. I agree with you, Ivan. These scissors, they really strong, and I can tell they're solid. Thanks for recommending it. All right, let's go ahead and put this back without cutting ourselves. All right, I want to pull out another tool. Here's a screwdriver, and here's a can opener as well as the bottle opener and a box opener. Love it. Perfect. I'm liking this tool, you guys. I mean, it's a lot better. Already I can tell it has a lot better feeling than Gordon. Now I know why they only give 90 days warranty on those Gordons. I don't see those lasting too long. Very nice. And here's the sheath. Comes with it. Has a little plastic clip, and I think you can go sideways too. A belt loop for sideways carrying. Ivan says he's been carrying this 2 years every day, so I can see why. Totally. It's about $100 cheaper than the original Leatherman Wave Plus, so yeah, I can totally see it. I mean, sometimes replicas can be as good, if not better, than the original ones, which knowing these things built under Leatherman patents, you know, definitely some of them gonna be, you know, people gonna steal from the material, make him flimsy. Some of them gonna make it really good like this. You know, I'm impressed with this tool, you guys. Wow. Wonder if I can fit this little bit alongside of this. Oh yeah, check it out. Perfect. You know, one thing though, I wish they had like a little side maybe loop here. I don't know, what do you guys think? Well, you know what? They have something inside. My bad. They have something inside. Yeah, right here. Huh. Absolutely perfect. I can actually put this in there, all safe and sound, and then knife right next to it. Oh man, I'm loving this. I think I'm gonna get one more of this if I can find one and give it as a present to my brother. All right. After unboxing the tool and, you know, taking it out, feeling it out, you know, kind of like touching all the tools and everything in person, I'm very impressed. I mean, for the price, this is a well-designed, heavy-duty tool. It feels a bit heftier than Harbor Freight's Gordon, and build quality seems a lot better than that one too. One thing to note is the warranty. While it's not as long as Leatherman's, but it still has a solid 1-year warranty, which is 9 months longer than what you get with the Gordon multi-tool. So here's my final take. If you're looking for an affordable, reliable multi-tool for everyday tasks, the Ozark Trail is a great option. It's not a Leatherman for sure, but the price is hard to beat. A big shout out to my subscriber Ivan Romero for suggesting this tool. If you own one of these, or have another multi-tool you love, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching Teo's Take, and I'll see you on the next one.